नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, yet to be devotees sitting with us around the world at this moment. In 382 places through Nityananda TV and 33 places two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha. In 197 cities in 22 countries around the world, as per the statistics, cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, San Jose Madurai, Nityananda Nagar Tiruvannamalai, Malaysia Palani, Los Angeles Arunachalam, Kastav Croatia, Nityananda Nagaram Hyderabad, Oklahoma Somanatham, Toronto Kailasam, Sharjah, Seattle Chidambaram, Ohio Center, Adayar Chennai, Ma Atma Priyananda Swamini. How come you are without Vibhuti and Kumkum? Ma Bhaktimayananda Swamini. How come you guys are without Vibhuti and Kumkum? Go on, apply Vibhuti and Kumkum and come. Guadalupe Rameshwaram, Devon UK, Singapore Singapuram, Vancouver Puri, Bangalore Marathahalli, Austin, Monterrey Mexico, Bengaluru North, Dakota Dunes, Charlotte Srisailam, Anna Nagar Chennai. Guadalupe, that's all? No, that one city next to Bangalore Marathahalli, not Austin, that side. No, this side. Bangalore Malleshwaram, Dubai Tirukkovilur, Toronto Mississauga, Gangamma Circle, Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, Scottsdale, Ohio Prayag, Oman Sivagangai, Hong Kong Sirgari, Hyderabad Sri Ann Delta, Croatia, Sripuram Chennai. That's it. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. I wanted all my Swamis and Swaminis to know your forehead should be always filled with Bhasma, the sacred ash, and Kumkum. Say about this Rudraksha, you can use based on the place. When you are going to a place where you are going to give a satsang or a discourse, have the full, this 10,000 Rudraksha and the Kandi and everything. If you are going to some place where the simplicity needs to be presented, just then have ordinary one Rudraksha mala. That you can choose as per the place and authenticity of you fitting with the place. But the Bhasma and Kunkuma is a symbol of Nityananda Sampradaya. Understand? I am creating a new emblem for our Sangha, because now the emblem which I created, which I had in a vision, Paramahamsa emblem, alone is not enough to express, represent what we are. So now I am working on it. Still I have to see it in the vision. I am meditating. The emblem will be having Vibhuti and Kumkum and turban. So Vibhuti and Kumkum should be the symbol everyone, all of us will be using. You can't afford to miss Vibhuti and Kumkum in any way. And today I have a great news. Yesterday itself I announced, as per my commitment, because of Ramakrishna's birthday, to the Inner Awakening participants. Yesterday evening I announced it to the world. Today again I am releasing it for the satsang participants. Nityananda Sampradaya. The Swamis and Swaminis and Rishis, Naishtika and Krama Brahmacharya of Nityananda Sangha and Nityananda Sampradaya. Give a good hand. Come on, it's you guys. We will have to celebrate.
Nityanandam Nityanandame Anandam Anandam Nityanandame Nityanandam Anandam Nityanandame 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 Govinda Gopala Keshava Madhava Narayana.
Wow! Historically, it took 10 years to create the Sampradaya. Yes, it is already in the website. You can see the sannyasis and sannyasinis. Sannyasis and sannyasinis 55, Naishtika Brahmacharis 13, Krama Brahmacharis 40, Rishi order 8, and of course, hundreds of ashramites are waiting in pipeline who are not yet initiated for various reasons, because they are all in our various ashrams and centers taking care. Some of them are traveling. So various reasons. Hundreds are in waiting list. Guru Purnima. There will be one more big group joining in the order, officially. And Manisha, you also should do one thing. Now you have to make it as per the seniority later on and the clear presentation. It doesn't have to be like a men's, women separately. It has to be based on the date of joining. And I'm so happy. First 116 of millions to follow. And among the Swamis, Sri Nitya Pranananda will be the first sannyasi. And among the Swaminis, my mother, Ma Nitya Lokanayakananda Swamini will be the first Swamini. See, as I am an incarnation, the Sampradaya starts the moment she gave birth to me. So naturally, she joined earlier than me in the order. See, if I am a Swami, then I can say that based on the date of joining, as I am an incarnation, naturally, she has to be given the date of joining seniority also. And of course, actually also I remember very clearly, she wanted to come and settle in the ashram long before. Only I said, no, wait for some more time. Great. Anyhow. So the first sannyasi who is alive, I should use that word because my father has been given Purana sannyas, but after he left the body, Antima sannyas it is called. So Antima sannyas usually doesn't come under the four orders. So living first sannyasi of Nityananda Sampradaya is Sri Nitya Pranananda Swami and Swamini Sri Ma Nitya Lokanayakananda Swamini. And then order continues, Ma Nitya Dayamayananda Swamini and Ma Nitya Bhaktikananda Swamini, and the order continues. You can verify. Manisha, you also have to create a resume for everyone with photograph. It should be published in the website. All you guys can post the unique way you wanted to post to express your unique character or the energy of. See, each one of you guys are representation of my one ray of energy. Somebody represents my intellect, somebody represents my devotion, somebody represents my being. Each one of you represent one ray of me. Listen, if I am the sun, each one of you are rays. Each one of you represent a ray. So, present yourself as the ray you represent. With photograph, with a resume. Yes. Including where they are born and what is their education. Yes. With a background, education and how they met Swami or something, one or two things. And their sannyas and then their contribution to the world. How many classes they have conducted, how many programs they are, and what they are offering to the world, what all the ways they are enriching the world. Give a beautiful, each one's resume. They can write and give. They only can write and give. This is the statement they want to make it to the world about themselves. The ahankara they are projecting. So around this, the anyakara of the world will start evolving. So be very clear what you are, and you have the full freedom to declare you are enlightened. That is what I am saying. You have a complete freedom to declare, because when you declare, you are responsible and you will have to live it. You will have to demonstrate it. When you declare you are enlightened, the anyakaras you create, you should be able to stretch yourself to it. Declaring enlightenment is not power, more responsibility. Clear? So, it is individual choice. You can declare any day you are enlightened. You are after all a Swami now. You are an independent entity by your existence. You can move the cosmos as you want. If the cosmos is not moving as you want, just create one, that's all. And the space of positivity and possibility, Ishwaratva and enlightenment is your space. So from there, you can declare anything you want and make it into reality any way you want. And anybody want to be part of this order can start applying. and preparing yourself to be part of this order. Great. I also wanted to declare all of us as Nityananda Sampradaya Sannyasis, we will not spend a single penny from the money given by devotees to any of our trust for charitable purposes. Do you guys agree with me? All you guys. We will work and create the wealth for running our basic needs, maybe spending few hours. You guys are even, I think the day I explained, we had a plan. So that I don't need to ask anybody anything for you guys or for me. I have my kids. When you have so many sons who are intelligent enough and efficient enough to earn, father does not need to ask anybody anything. Even if you are a king, when a son goes and conquers a city and brings it to you, that is the beauty. Email n.sharing@nityananda.org if you want to be part of this order. Today, 16th Inner Awakening and 13th Ingenious, second day. 9th Nirahara Samyama, third level, second day. 10th Nirahara Samyama, first level, second day. 5th Disamyama, second day. And we have one more important announcement. Today, we formed Nityanandeshwara temple as a separate Pita, and anybody who declares as a Pitadishwar for that can become Pitadishwar. Still, Ambananda has not declared as a Pitadishwar. He only took the responsibility of the temple. Let's see, whoever declares can become Pitadishwar. That will be a separate Pita, which will be called as Nityanandeshwara Pita. So, Biddi hosts Nityanandeshwara Pita and Nityananda Dhyana Pita and Nityananda Jnana Pita, Nityananda Vidya Pita. Am I right? 4 Pitas. Gurukul Vidyapita, all the centers all over the world Jnanapita, and you should have an international meeting one day of all the devotees, organizers, head of the centers, temples, for a declaration. You should have a meeting that they should declare. Declaration makes things reality. Even who is head, the head has to declare. And all the other volunteers, department volunteers, heads, has to declare. They should all be given officially the title Sri Mahant, Pitadishwar and all that. Even Grihasthas can be Pitadishwar, Rishis can be Pitadishwar. Even people who are not Rishis, just Grihasthas can be Pitadishwars. It's each one declaring. Men, women, anybody can be Pitadishwars. Sri Mahants. We'll have to come up with the declarations. Yes. You can take it. Now it is time. We'll be starting live satsang. नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साधना टीवी के सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों को मेरा प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत। कल हमने 4 तत्वों में से दूसरे तत्व श्रद्धा के बारे में चर्चा की। आज हम तीसरे तत्व उपायनम यानी जिम्मेदारी पर सत्संग करेंगे। रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, कृपया ध्यान से सुनिए। रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, responsibility means living, thinking, speaking and acting, responding to life from the truth that you are the source of everything happening inside and around you. Therefore, you are responsible for all happenings inside and outside you. कृपया पुनः सुनिए. Let me repeat. Responsibility means living, and responding means thinking, speaking, acting to life from the truth that you are the source of everything happening in and around you. Therefore, you are responsible for all the happenings in and around you. ध्यान से सुनिए. जीवन का तीसरा तत्व है उपायनम. उपायनम या जिम्मेदारी उठाने का अर्थ है जीवन को इस सत्य के साथ जीना और प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करना कि आपके अंदर और बाहर होने वाले सभी परिस्थितियों का मूल कारण एवं उत्तरदायी आप स्वयं है। ध्यान से सुनिए। उपायनम या जिम्मेदारी उठाने का अर्थ है जीवन को इस सत्य के साथ जीना और प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करना कि आपके अंदर और बाहर होने वाले सभी परिस्थितियों का मूल कारण एवं उत्तरदायी आप स्वयं है। Biggest question we have now in our mind, how can I be responsible? Everything happening around me, I can be held responsible what is happening inside me. How can I be held responsible for what is happening outside me? For example, if an accident happens in my life, how can I be responsible? Everybody asks this question. ध्यान से सुनिए. Let me answer you. Person who does not feel responsible even for his actions is an animal, lives in a very low consciousness. Person who feels responsible for his actions is a human being, lives in a middle level consciousness. Person who takes responsibility even for others' actions is divine, lives in leadership consciousness, Ishwaratva. Sometime you may not be reason for some happenings, but if it is affecting your life, you are responsible for that happenings. Just because you are not reason as per your logic, you can't say you are not responsible in truth. कृपया ध्यान से सुनिए. हमारे मन में सबसे बड़ा प्रश्न आता है कि हमारे सब तरफ होने वाली हर चीज के लिए हम कैसे उत्तरदायी हैं. You may think, how can you be responsible? You need to know, unless you take responsibility, neither you are going to improve the situation nor going to expand in the inner space. Vivekananda says very beautifully, take responsibility more and more. Your shoulders will become stronger and stronger. In any field, freedom is the basic condition for growth. Responsibility brings the experience of freedom. With responsibility, your consciousness expands. जो व्यक्ति अपने कार्यों के लिए जिम्मेदारी नहीं उठाता है वह जानवर के समान है जो व्यक्ति अपने कार्यों के लिए जिम्मेदारी उठाता है वह मानव है, और जो व्यक्ति अन्य लोगों के लिए जिम्मेदारी उठाता है वह ईश्वर है। सुनिए, जो व्यक्ति अपने कार्यों के लिए जिम्मेदारी नहीं उठाता है वह जानवर के समान है। जो व्यक्ति अपने कार्यों के लिए जिम्मेदारी उठाता है वह मानव है, और जो व्यक्ति अन्य लोगों के लिए जिम्मेदारी उठाता है वह ईश्वर है। He lives in the space of leadership consciousness, Ishvara. Ishvara. Every one of us are greedy for powers leaders have, powers gods, higher souls have, but unfortunately, no one wants to take the responsibility for it. I tell you, world has abundance. Neither the wealth nor the extraordinary powers are restricted when you take responsibility, when you start becoming responsible. Powers, wealth, spiritual powers, all the auspicious things starts expressing through you intensely. आपको जाना चाहिए, जब तक आप जिम्मेदारी ना ले तब तक ना तो आपका विस्तार होगा एवं ना आप पूर्णता प्राप्त करेंगे। विवेकानंद जी कहते हैं, ज्यादा और ज्यादा जिम्मेदारी लेने से आपके कंधे मजबूत होते हैं। Responsibility expands your possibilities. Let me define responsibility. Responding to the world from the best possibility is responsibility. Responding to you and to the world from the best possibility is responsibility. जिम्मेदारी आपके संभावना उनको विस्तार करता है। जिम्मेदारी आपके संभावनाओं को विस्तार करता है। Responsibility not only awakens leadership qualities in you, it awakens leadership consciousness in you. ध्यान से सुनिए, qualities are different, consciousness is different. In the corporate life, in the outer world, if you are taking responsibility for some position, post, you may express leadership qualities. But when you take responsibility for everything happening in and around you, you express leadership consciousness. उत्तरदायित्व का अर्थ है विश्व के प्रति असीमित संभावना के साथ प्रतिक्रिया करना। उत्तरदायित्व का अर्थ है विश्व के प्रति असीमित संभावना के साथ प्रतिक्रिया करना। From the best possibility. Your responding is responsibility. When you expand your commitments and the responsibilities you hold in your being for yourself goes on expanding and expressing all the possibilities. Either you react or respond. You only have two ways of relating with the world. If you feel you are not responsible, you react. If you feel you are responsible, you respond. When all your actions are responding, you are a karma yogi. No karma binds you. You are living in completion, expressing completion. When you feel you are not responsible, you react. Reacting puts you in bondage. Reacting keeps you in incompletion. जब आप और विस्तार होते हैं तब आपके अंदर जीव लगातार विस्तार होता है और अपने सभी संभावनाओं को व्यक्त करने लगता है। जब आप और विस्तार होते हैं तब आपके अंतर जीव लगातार विस्तार होता है और अपने सभी संभावनाओं को व्यक्त करने लगता है। जब आप अपने उत्तरदायित्व को और विस्तारित करते हैं तब आपके अंदर की सभी असीमित संभावनाएं बाहर प्रकट हो जाती है। ध्यान से सुनिए। Only when you express all the possibilities out of liberation cognition, जीवन मुक्त संभावना, you are living your life. Life is lived when जीवन मुक्त संभावना becomes your lifestyle. The space of possibility, space of leadership, I tell you, nothing else is required for you to be a leader. Just leadership consciousness is enough. When Vivekananda walked length and breadth of India, he did not have anything other than leadership consciousness in his life. But wherever he went, kings washed his feet, gave their own thrones for him to sit, received his blessings, guidance, requested for his spiritual support. Leadership consciousness is independent, intelligent, cannot be hidden from others. Once you have it, whole world will know you have it. Simply, world listens to you. You do not need any power, political strength, infrastructure for the world to know you are a leader. Even if you walk in the street, you will stand tall, man among men. And the world will respect you. नेतृत्व क्षमता के लिए और कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, केवल नेतृत्व की मनोस्थिति होनी आवश्यक है। अगर आप में ये है तो पूरा विश्व जान जाएगा कि आप उनके नेता हैं। नेतृत्व क्षमता के लिए और कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, केवल नेतृत्व की मनोस्थिति होनी आवश्यक है। अगर आप में यह है तो पूरा विश्व जान जाएगा कि आप उनके नेता हैं। Responsibility makes you realize all possibility. जीवन में प्रतिक्रिया के दो ही विकल्प है, जिम्मेदारी के साथ प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करना या जिम्मेदारी के बिना प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करना। जब आप जिम्मेदारी के साथ जीवन के प्रति प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करते हैं, तब वह कार्य आपको अंधन में डालता है। जब आप जिम्मेदारी के साथ जीवन के प्रति प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करते हैं, तब वह प्रतिक्रिया पूर्ण बनाती है, नेता बनाती है। जब आप जिम्मेदारी के साथ जीवन के प्रति प्रतिक्रिया नहीं व्यक्त करते हैं, तब वह कार्य आपको बंधन में डालता है। जब आप जिम्मेदारी के साथ जीवन के प्रति प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करते हैं, तब वह प्रतिक्रिया पूर्ण बनाती है, नेता बनाती है। It is leadership consciousness which brings not just success, fulfillment in you. I tell you, I have seen thousands of politicians who are having power without having the state of leadership consciousness. It is responsibility makes you realize all possibility. उत्तरदायित्व आपको हर संभव संभावना से साक्षात्कार करा देता है। उत्तरदायित्व आपको हर संभव संभावना से साक्षात्कार करा देता है। Sometimes people sit in the throne or get the power, become power center without having the state of a leader. I have seen them dying in depression, suffering in suffocation due to the power. They never enjoy the power. Unless you achieve the status becomes liability. Status binds you and brings suffering to others if you have not achieved the state. The state of responsibility, state of the leader, Ishwaratva, leadership consciousness has to be achieved first. दुनिया में हजारों लोग हैं जो नेता की कुर्सी पर है, किंतु नेता की मनोस्थिति एवं चेतना स्थिति उनमें नहीं है। दुनिया में हजारों लोग हैं जो नेता की कुर्सी पर है, किंतु नेता की मनोस्थिति एवं चेतना स्थिति उनमें नहीं है। When you do not carry the consciousness of leader, you are bound by the powers of the leader, even if you get it, and you will bind the people who come under you, accepting you as leader. This is one of the biggest disease India is suffering. Many seats are occupied by the people who are not responsible enough for the seat they are occupying. From the individual house, individual's house to the seats, official power, political power, media power. In every field, many people who have not achieved the state get the status, they become liability.